17th October 2021 Madhuban Avyakta Bapdada Om Shanti Revise 7th of November 1989. The Murli's title is Easy and Elevated Sustenance Through the Three Relationships. Today, the Father who loves the world, it's especially saying the special children who love the Father. The Father's love and the children's love are each greater than the other. Love gives alaukic wings to your mind and body and brings you close. Love is such a spiritual attraction that it attracts the children to the Father and they then became instruments to celebrate a meeting. Both experiences of a meeting with the heart and with the physical body only take place because of the attraction of love. God's spiritual love has given each of you Brahmins a divine birth. Today, with the searchlight of spiritual love, Baba is seeing the loving images of all the Brahmin children everywhere. Bap Dada, the heart's friend, is hearing the song of love from the hearts of all the children everywhere. Bap Dada is close to the hearts of all the children, whether they are near or far. And as a return of love, Baba is giving the blessings. May you always have the fortune of happiness. May you always remain happy. May you always remain healthy with the nourishment of happiness. May you always be full with the treasures of happiness. Spiritual love gave you a divine birth, and you are now receiving divine sustenance through the blessings of Babdada. The bestowers of blessings, you all receive the same sustenance at the same time from the same one. However, how you imbibe the sustenance you have received makes you number wise. In fact, the sustenance received through all three relationships is extremely elevated and easy. You receive your inheritance from Bab Dada, and the awareness of your inheritance then sustains you. There is no difficulty in this. There is nothing difficult in the sustenance received through the study of just two words from the teacher. There is also nothing difficult in the sustenance received through the experience of blessings from the Sadguru either. However, because of the weakness in imbibing those, some children have developed the habit of making something that is easy difficult. The sanskars of working hard compel them to experience something easy to be difficult, and because of being compelled, because of lacking the ability to imbibe it, they come under an external influence. Seeing the games in the life of such children who are influenced, Babdada feels mercy for them because a sign of the Father's spiritual love is that he cannot bear to see a weakness or defects in any child. Any defect in your family is your own defect, and this is why the Father doesn't feel dislike, but he does feel mercy. Sometimes Babdada looks at the horoscope of the children from the moment they were born until now. For some children's horoscope, there is nothing but mercy, whereas the horoscopes of other children are such that they reassure the Father. Check your horoscope from the beginning until now. You can look at yourself and know for yourself whether your imbibing of sustenance through the three relationships is easy and elevated. You can move along easily in two ways. One is an easy life through blessings, and the other is an easy life through carelessness and a don't care attitude. One can move through life easily with such an attitude too. Souls who move along easily with the blessings and spiritual sustenance will be careful. They will not have a don't care attitude, and they will not have any tension in paying attention according to the time, facilities, and circumstances of such a careful souls. They get help from the Brahmin family, and the father's special help also brings them cooperation. This is why everything is experienced to be easy. So check, are all these things cooperative with me? The cooperation received from all of these things makes you an easy yogi. Otherwise, even though minor circumstances, facilities, time, and companions are like an ant, even a tiny ant is able to make a Maruti, means an elephant, unconscious. To become unconscious means to fall from the elevated stage of easy sustenance received through blessings. Being compelled and having to work hard are both signs of being unconscious. So check your horoscope in this way. Do you understand what you have to do? Acha. To those who are constantly being sustained with the sustenance of all three relationships, to those who became jewels of contentment, who remain content and spread the sparkle of contentment, to those who became fast effort makers and enable themselves to claim the first right to the first birth, to such fortunate and happy children, love, remembrance, and namaste from Babdada, the bestower of blessings. The spiritual children says namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Meeting groups. Everyone has come from far away. Babdada has come from the furthest place of all. You see that it takes effort for you to come here. For Babdada, it is also unique in that he lives in an unlimited place and yet has to enter a limited one. Nevertheless, he has to take a body on loan. You take a ticket and the father has to take a loan. Did all of you receive a blessing? Even though you have come from 7 or 8 places, there is a representative from every zone. Therefore, all zones are present from abroad and also this land. So, this is an international group, is it not? To a group from Tamil Nadu. The biggest group is from Tamil Nadu. What is the speciality of Tamil Nadu? They catch vibrations of love. Their love for the Father becomes an imperishable lift. Do you prefer the stairs or a lift? Stairs require effort, whereas the lift is easy. So, never become careless because of having love. Otherwise, the lift will jam because you can imagine what would become of the lift if the electricity were cut off. When the electricity or connection is cut, you don't experience the comfort you should. So, when there is carelessness because of having love, you won't be able to receive a current from the Father. Then the lift will not work. Your love is very good. Continue to do work. So, take the gift of the lift with you. To a group from Mysore. What is the speciality of Mysore? Babdada is giving a gift to the children who are residents of Mysore, the fruit of the beautiful season of the confluence age. What is the fruit of the confluence age? Seasonal fruit is very sweet. Fruit out of season is not good, no matter how beautiful it may look. So, the children from Mysore have the confluence age fruit of instant, visible fruit. 1 minute you perform elevated actions, and the next minute you receive the instant, visible fruit of those. Therefore, always have the intoxication of the awareness that you are the ones who ate the seasonal, instant fruit of the confluence age, the ones who attend that fruit. In any case, you are growing well. In Tamil Nadu too, there is very good expansion. to a group from the eastern zone. What emerges in the east? The sun rises in the east, does it not? So Babdada is giving a special flower to those from the eastern zone. On the basis of your speciality, it is the sunflower that always remain in bloom due to the sakash from the sun. Its face is always towards the sun, and that is why it is called the sunflower. When you see its form, the flower's petals are in the circle like the rays of the sun. So, you are those who always remain in front of Bapdada, the sun of knowledge. You never move away from the sun of knowledge. You are always close to and always in front of Bapdada. This is called being a sunflower. So be sunflowers who are always sparkling and making others sparkle with the light of the sun of knowledge. This is the speciality of the eastern zone. In any case, the sun of knowledge rose in the eastern zone. He entered Baba there, means in Calcutta. So, those from the eastern zone are those who take everyone to their kingdom, into the day, into the light. To a group from Banaras. What is the speciality of Banaras? Ras means interest, sweetness. You are those who fill everyone with spiritual interest. You are not without interest. You are not those who have no interest. You fill everyone with spiritual interest. You are those who enable everyone to experience God's love, the sweetness of love, because when you become filled with the sweetness of God's love, all other types of sweetness seems dry. You are those who fill souls with the sweetness of God's love because they have a lot of interest in devotion. You are those who enable those who have an interest in devotion to experience the sweetness of God's love. What always has the greatest sweetness? Those from Banaras speak rasgulla, milk balls in a syrup. Look, the name itself begins with the ras, means sweet. So you are those who always eat the rasgulla of knowledge and also serve others thus. So you are those who make your minds and mouth constantly sweet with rasgulla at Amrit Vela every day, and who also sweeten the minds and mouths of others. This is why Baba is giving Banaras the sweet Toli Rasgulla to a group from Bombay. Bombay has already received the blessing. Nardeswar means wealthy person. Nardeswar means one who makes everyone wealthy. Nardeswar means one who is always full of wealth. The speciality of those from Bombay is that they make poor ones wealthy. A title of the father is the Lord of the Poor. So, Babdada is giving those from Bombay the title Children of the Lord of the Poor, the ones who make poor ones wealthy. This is why you yourselves are always full of all treasures, and also why you make others full. Therefore, your speciality is that you are the cooperative companions of the Father, who is the Lord of the poor. So Babdada is giving a title to those from Bombay, not a sweet but a title. To a group from Kulu Manali. What is the speciality of Kulu Manali? A mela of deities that doesn't take place anywhere else take place in Kulu. So Kulu and Manali is said to be a meeting place for the deities. So deities means those who have divine virtues. The memorial of imbibing divine virtues is the deity form. So that land is the symbol of love for the deities and the meeting of the deities. This is why Babdada is specially giving a gift of a bouquet of divine virtues to the children who are residents of that place. With the bouquet of these divine virtues, you will continue to have milas of souls with the Supreme Soul everywhere. They have a meeting of deities, and you are celebrating a meeting of souls with the Supreme Soul with the bouquet of divine virtues. However, now celebrate meetings with a lot more pomp and splendor so that everyone can see. The Mila of the deities is their Mila, but this Mila is the most elevated Mila of all. Therefore, always keep the gift of the fragrant bouquet of divine virtues with you. To those who have come for the meeting, why have you come for a meeting? To set everything, to set the program and the speakers. You have come here, so set the seating and to set everything. Just as you have set everything or made a program for making a speech, in the same way, from now on, give such elevated vibrations to the speakers and also the observers who are to come so that they don't just set their stage for the speech for a short time, but they always become set in their elevated stage. This is why Babdada is giving those who have come for the meeting a machine to make an imperishable setting as a gift with which you can continue to set everything. Nowadays, it is the age of machinery, means automation. The tasks that take human beings a long time to do can be accomplished quickly and easily with machinery. So use the machinery for your setting in such a way that the setting take place very quickly according to the plans for your golden and happy world. Everyone's seat has to be set. The subjects have to be set, and the subjects of the subjects also have to be set. The kings and queens are being set anyway, but that is the royal family. Then there are the wealthy families, then the subjects, and then the maids and servants. How many types of settings have to be made? So those in the meeting especially need to speed up the machinery for the setting. To speed it up means to make yourselves a fast effort maker. Thus is the switch. A machine has a switch, does it not? So the switch for fast machinery is to become a fast effort maker. That is to switch on the machinery for a fast setting. This is a huge responsibility. So now speed up the setting of the machinery for your kingdom. To the double foreigners. Double foreign children are nowadays planning to do everything by satellite. You are moving forward very well in the intoxication of reveling the Father. This is why Babdada is giving you the gift of constantly remaining set in being double light. You are thinking of doing a program through the satellite, and Babdada is giving you a gift of being constantly set in being double light. Babdada, the comforter of hearts, is giving the double foreign children who are always sit in their stage of being double light. The love of his heart adds a gift. Children in America are especially remembering Baba. A very good method for serving the world has been created with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. The United Nations has also become a service companion. Bharat is the foundation of service. This is why the special serviceable companion of Bharat has also gone there. Jagdish Bhai had gone to US. Bharat is the foundation, and the lands abroad will be the instruments to bring about revelation. The sound of revelation will come to Bharat from far away like the sounds of drums. Children's vibrations are reaching here. Residents of London are also service companions. Children in Australia are also special service companions. Those from Africa are no less. The cooperation from all the countries is very good. Babdada is giving special love and remembrance to all the special serviceable instrument children according to their own specialities. Each one's praise is individual. If Babdada were to speak about each one's praise, there would be so much praise. However, the praise of each one's speciality is merged in Babdada's heart. Madhuban, resident servers who also help in service with their courage. This is why, just as it is remembered of the father that when the children have courage, the father helps in the same way. Whatever service takes place, or whenever it is the season, Madhuban residents also became pillars of courage. With the courage of both from Madhuban, all of you receive help in being able to stay here, in sleeping, eating, and bathing, etc. This is why Babdada is giving all the Madhuban resident children congratulations for their courage. Acha blessing. May you be an image who grants visions and who transform the vision and attitude of many souls with your Satoguni vision. Explanation. It is said, the world changes with your vision. Let your vision be so Satoguni that it changes the vision, attitude, and stage of any soul, no matter how Tamoguni or Rajaguni that soul may be. Whoever comes in front of you, they will come to know the three worlds and their whole life story through your drishti. This is what it means to take someone beyond with your glance. At the end, when you won't serve with knowledge, the service will continue. Slogan. The practical form of purity is truth. It is divinity. Om Shanti